I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. So, good morning, my dear kids. So, my dear kids, today you can see I have keep something here. So kids, today we will revise our season. I have prepared 3 places here. You can see this is for summer season, this is for rainy season, and this is for winter season. So, you know children, what we have to do? I will show you some things and you have to tell me where that item will be placed. Okay. So, first I'm going to tell you what we have to do. We have to keep the things in that one proper place. So, let's start. Okay. So, this is a cap. Can you see, dear kid? Yes, this is a cap. So now you only tell me where will the cap go? In which season we wear? Very good. Winter. Winter place. So what is this, children? Can you tell me? Yes, I can't open it. Very good. Good job. This is an umbrella. So, will the umbrella go in winter season? Winter place? No. Yes, very good. Very good, children. It will go in rainy season place. Okay. So, next is sunglasses. Sunglasses. Very good. Is this the right place? Shall I keep here? No. Very good. It will go here. Where will the sunglass go? Here. Sunglass summer season में रखा जाएगा. Very good. Okay, so next is dun, dun, dun. Oh, very good. This is a rainbow. Very good, children. So, children, now tell me, where will the rainbow go? Yes, very good. In rainy season. And children, this sunglass I put here. This rainbow I put here, and this umbrella also, and this cap in winter season. So summer season, rainy season, and winter season. So I hope, my dear lovely kids, you all got it. Okay, so dear kids, let's move to the next. Take out your World Around Me B book. So lovely kids, you have to take out your World Around Me B book, and after that open the page number 32. So children, you can see clothes for different seasons. These are the clothes. Okay, clothes for different season. So these are summer clothes, these are winter clothes, and in rainy season we can wear and we can use these things in rainy season. So these are gumboots, raincoat, this is an umbrella. Summer clothes, frock, t-shirt, this is a shirt, shorts, this is a skirt, this is a top. Winter clothes, these are woolen gloves, this is a cap, muffler, this is a sweater, this is a scarf, this is a jacket, and these are rainy things. Gumboots, this is a raincoat, and this is an umbrella. So lovely kids, after that, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, when we can see the rainbow? Good job. In rainy season in the sky. Sometimes we can see it in rainy season in the sky. So children, let's make rainbow. Are you ready? So for that, you have to take out your plain notebook. So kids, for this activity, you need a glue, some cotton, brush. If you want to use your finger, you can use your finger. Or if you want to use this brush, you can use your brush. And watercolor, your plain notebook. So listen carefully children, you have to do this work in your plain notebook, but I'm going to show this work in your paper because I have to show you, so I'm not using this, but you have to use this plain notebook. So I'm going to use a plain paper. So children, you have to take out your this paint, or you can see watercolor. So I'm going to use first red color. Children, you can use your brush or you can use dip your finger in this watercolor and you can give impression like this. So I will show you how to do. So I'm going to dip my finger, so you can see. Okay dear kids, so I'm using my finger. You also can use your finger and you have to give impression in this way. You have to make curves. 7 curves you have to make. And second line, second curve with orange color. Okay, first red, orange. If you don't have the same color, so children, don't worry, you can use other colors also. Okay, आप ये नहीं सोचना कि कलर मेरे पास नहीं है, but you have to make it colorful and you have to use how many colors? 7 colors. Okay, so don't worry about it. The next color is, I'm going to take yellow color. So I'm going to use my brush children. You can see this is yellow. Okay, so how many colors? How many colors does rainbow have? 7. Okay, red, orange, yellow. After that, I'm going to use my green color. Right, kids? So in this way, you have to paint your rainbow. You can use your finger, you can use your brush. Okay, don't worry, if you don't have these colors, you can use एनी अदर कलर्स, आप दूसरे कलर्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास ग्रीन नहीं है, येलो नहीं है, इट्स ओके, बट मेक इट colorful. Okay, children? So kids, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors are there, and 7 curves I have made. Now you draw clouds on both sides. Okay, so draw like that, curve. You can see, children, how ma'am is doing. And now applying a little Fevicol or glue here, you have to paste some cottons. Okay, so dear kids, you have to paste some cotton in this way. So this is a rainbow and these are clouds. Okay, so अगर आपको क्लाउड के ऊपर कलर करना है तो यू कैन कलर, but I'll leave it like that. So you can see, children, and here also you have to apply some glue. Okay, children, and paste some cotton here. So this is a rainbow, so you have to use your finger or use your brush and complete this rainbow by pasting some cotton. So dear kids, I'm going to ask one question. In which season you can see this rainbow in the sky? Very good. In the rainy season. So lovely kids, I hope you enjoyed this activity. You have to complete this work, keep reading and revise your rhyme every day. Okay, and keep learning. Be happy. We will meet on Monday. Bye.